This is a grammar question. You need to look at the sentences and find sentences which are grammatically incorrect. Let's look at statement A. These channels are filled sometimes with seawater and sometimes with water that has overflown from rivers Yolga and Puma. The verb overflown is incorrectly used here. It should be overflowed from the rivers Yolga and Puma instead of overflown. Statement B says many parents visit their ward in Pune where a number of universities are located every weekend. The part every weekend should not modify location of the universities but should modify visit. So we need to put it with visit. It should be many parents visit their wards every weekend in Pune where a number of universities are located. Statements C and D are correct. So the correct answer to this question will become option A. Next question is again a grammar question. We have to find the statements that are incorrect. The first statement says Einstein was a brilliant mathematician, which is how he was able to explain the universe. Now, he was able to explain the universe because of his being a good mathematician, or his being good with numbers. So we need to write it as Einstein, who was a brilliant mathematician, was able to use his brilliance with numbers to explain the universe. Statement B says because Senator Martin is less interested in environment than economic development, he sometimes neglected. What is this it? It, we don't know what it refers to. It can refer to environment and it can also refer to economic development. So we need to correct it and say that Senator Martin sometimes neglects environment because he is more interested in economic development. Statement C says that student who won the writing contest is in my class. We need to put punctuations here. That student who won the writing contest is in my class. So you need to put comma before who and after contest. Statement D says I love logical reasoning because the subject is challenging, interesting and it excites me. Now, if challenging, interesting and it excites me are not parallel. So you need to rewrite it as subject is challenging, interesting and exciting. Correct answer option will become option B.